I intend to keep my oath and serve as president to all Nigerians. I belong to everybody and I belong to nobody. A few people have privately voiced fears that on coming back to office, I shall go after them. These fears are groundless. There will be no paying off old scores. The past is prologue. Furthermore, we as Nigerians must remind ourselves that we are heirs to great civilizations. Sheikh Osman Danfodio's Caliphate, the Kanem-Borno Empire, the Oyo Empire, the Benin Empire, and King Jaja's formidable domain. The blood of those great ancestors flow in our veins. What is now required is to build on these legacies to modernize and uplift Nigeria.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.